Hello world, and welcome to Hebeon Technologies. Today, in this video, we are going to give you a short and quick overview of our prestigious PWB platform. Our product programming workbench, also known as PWB. In the upcoming few minutes, you will see an overall glimpse of our product. Our product has courses, integrated with interactive teaching approach. Every course is categorized into levels, stages, and steps. Steps complete a stage, stages complete a level, and levels complete the course. Every step is designed with videos, images, practical approach, theoretical approach, visualizations, reference programs, practice, code challenges, and many more. Let's look each of them in action. Log into PWB using your credentials. You can see the list of courses assigned to you. You can also see your course-wise progress here. Course syllabus also provided. Click on Course to take a course. Course stats, areas of improvements are provided in the course. You can also see that all levels are locked, except level 1. In order to unlock further levels, you need to complete level 1. Stage 1 need to be completed, to unlock further stages in the level. Course percentage will be provided, and certificate download option will be appeared here, once you completes the course. Let's get started into the stage 1. How to complete a stage, and unlock the next stage. Let's look at, in action. You can see the list of topics, that are present in the stage, in the form of accordions. At the top, stage contains, video tutorials, for the topics, that are present in the stage, which helps you, to better understanding of topics. Let's get into this particular topic by clicking on it. Here, you can see the theory read link. Click on it. It will open a pop-up which contains a theory. There are several practice programs and code challenges under the lessons. First, let's look into Learn program type. Read the problem statement and understand the program present in the code snippet. You can execute and check the program output as well. This help you to learn program. Now, let's navigate into Practice program, which is another program type, which helps you to practice. With help of reference block, you need to write missing code in code editor. Marks will be awarded for successful execution. Note, inputs are provided by system, and code should be written by using them. Expected output should be matched, for successful execution. Click on this hyperlink, in order to read the theory content related to the program. Now, let's navigate into Fix-It program, which is another program type, which helps you to find the errors in code. There will be Assessment program type, where user need to write the missing code, based on description, and test cases mentioned. But, last and most important part is, code challenges. Code challenges helps to improve coding skills. Read the code challenges lesson carefully, which is provided just before code challenges. Click on Code Challenge. It will take you to new window. Read the description carefully and write the logic. You can also add program into favorite. You can minimize and maximize the editor. Minimum 40% score should be achieved in code challenges in order to take stage multiple choice questions examination. Solve more code challenges to achieve 40%. Solution videos are also provided for few code challenges. Now, you are eligible for taking stage examination. You can take stage exam by clicking Stage Exam Accordion. Marks will be awarded based on click count. Note: make sure to check that all questions are selected with correct answer in order to submit the examination. You can share your progress in social media platforms. Now you can see that Stage 2 is unlocked. Similarly, you can complete all stages and levels to get certified. Thank you and good luck.